Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on May 2023, 4-star Sudoku. Column J, we have 3, 4, 9. The three numbers can't come the three cells. It will come in one of the three cells. We will confirm later. Then 6th grade, three numbers are remaining 7, 5, 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then column J, two numbers are remaining 1 and 2. 9th row, we already give 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. The 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 7th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, 10th row, column H, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have 3. 10th row also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 6th row, 7th row, we have pair numbers 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B and 5th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then 5th row, we have 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column J, only one number is remaining 5. 5 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 7 and 5. So 7 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 7th row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 7th row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 5th row, 3 numbers are remaining 6, 8, 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column C, and 10th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 10th row, 8th row, and 5th grade, we have 3. 4th row also we have 3. And 3rd also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 6. Column F, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 2nd row, 4th row, column E, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. The 2 is confirmed here. 5th grade, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 8, 9. Column F, we have 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column E, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 5th grade, only one number is remaining 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column F, column G, we have 9. 8th row also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining 1, 4, 5. 3rd row, we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column E, only one number is remaining 5. 5 is confirmed here. 3rd row, 3 numbers are remaining 6, 7, 8. Column B, we have 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 3rd row, only one number is remaining 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 5th row, only one number is remaining 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then column B, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 7, 5. Column H, we have 6 and 5. So 6 and 5 can't come in the cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Column G, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 8th row, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column D, 4th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 5. Column C also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Second grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 8. Column F, we have 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come this cell, it will come here another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then second grade, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. The 9 is confirmed here. Then second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. First grade, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then second grade, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. First grade, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column C, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column C, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column C, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Column E, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column H, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. 9th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. The 9th grade, column H, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 4. Column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 9th row and then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.